Hello friends, welcome to this episode of Naija Food Tube. Today, I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my fried green vegetable sauce. For this delicious veggie sauce, we'll need green vegetable, some fresh tomatoes, some scotch bonnet, some dry or smoked fish, some onions, some crayfish, dried shrimps, pomo, vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, and salt to taste. To begin this recipe, I'll begin by plucking my vegetables. As you can see, I'm not adding so much of the stem while plucking. I'll wash my veggie thoroughly, like 3 times, in order to ensure there is no sound. After washing my vegetables, I'll pick a handful and begin to slice. I'll cut my pomo into bits. Next, I'll blend my crayfish lightly. And also my scotch bonnet. To begin the cooking proper, I'll pour some vegetable oil into the pot. And add my chopped onion. Stir as you fry for about a minute. And add your nicely sliced tomatoes. The blended scotch bonnet and stir. I'll leave to fry for about 10 minutes. Then add my pomo, dried shrimps, blended crayfish, and mix together. I'll also allow it to cook for another 7 minutes on low heat. Back to the veggies, I'll be working my vegetable with a little pinch of salt. Be careful not to add too much salt. Back to my sauce, I'll add 2 cubes of seasoning, some salt to taste, and I'll add our vegetable. As you can see, I'm adding the veggies in portion. And stir. Leave to cook for 5 minutes. I had my roasted fish, leave to cook for additional 5 minutes. Wow, our delicious fried veggie is ready. If only you can smell this aroma. I hope you prepare it. This fried green vegetable sauce can be eaten with rice, agidi, yam, plantain, or any swallow of your choice. So delicious! Kindly give us a thumbs up by clicking the button below, and don't forget to press the subscribe button and notification bell in order to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.